Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today's question is a very difficult topic that I deal with on occasion here at the office. The question is, can I ask the judge to order that my spouse get a mental health evaluation as part of our divorce and or custody proceeding? Divorces are difficult to begin with, but when you are dealing with mental illness from a spouse, it can become extremely difficult process. The spouse might get angry because you file for divorce. The spouse might want to delay the process. It might make the process difficult and cumbersome. So I understand that this situation is very, very difficult. When you ask the judge to order anything in a divorce proceeding, you must have a legitimate reason for that request. So asking the judge does not necessarily mean that you're going to get your request granted, but failing to ask will always result in a denial. So my position is always ask. If you would like the judge to order your spouse to undergo a psychiatric evaluation, it's best to request it by way of a motion. Be certain that your motion clearly explains the reasons for your request and how your spouse's mental state can have the potential to harm or threaten you and or the children. Be sure to include specific instances and circumstances that give the judge the best information possible to make the best decision possible. Remember that when children are involved, the judge is always looking to see what is in the best interest of the children, and the more information that you can give the judge, the better that the result will be. One thing that I want you to keep in mind is that if the psychiatric evaluation results in your spouse having a serious mental illness that prevents him or her from holding a job and meeting their specific basic needs, you may be responsible for paying long-term alimony to support your spouse. Remember also to remain calm whenever you are dealing with your spouse, and if you feel any sort of threat from your spouse towards you or towards the children, you may want to consider filing a domestic protective order. I understand that this is a very difficult situation when dealing with a divorce and or custody proceedings. So if you have questions about this, I want to discuss this further, or if you have questions about any other family law topic, please go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. And as always, I want to thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.